Hey friends, I'm Shanna with LifefulAndFrugal.com. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. At Lifeful and Frugal, we teach you how to live a healthier, happier, more beautiful life on less. From healthy whole food recipes to gardening, home decor, and holistic health, we're your one-stop shop for all things full and frugal. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing below and also go ahead and hit that little bell notification so you never miss any of our new content. So as it turns out, this is our 100th video that we are posting to our YouTube channel. Over the last year, we have learned so much, we've come so far, and so on behalf of the Sisters of Lifeful and Frugal, I just want to say thank y'all so much for subscribing, for all your likes, shares, and comments. It really does help us to continue to grow our channel, and we really appreciate your support. For our 100th video, I'm going to be showing y'all how we transformed our former pool pad into a potager garden, which is basically just a kitchen garden with fruits, veggies, herbs, and flowers. We did a ton of work over the spring to get this space ready. A couple of weeks ago, I showed y'all how we made our raised bed garden boxes out of 2x12s, so I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box below. Be sure to stay to the end of the video to see the full tour of the garden and see how everything turned out. I hope y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the transformation and the tour of our potager garden. If you're interested in more details about how to do a potager garden in your own backyard, I have a blog with all the details over at lifefulandfrugal.com, and I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box below as well. While you're at it, go ahead and check out the selection of free printables that we have down there, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Oh no. And I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box below. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.